welcome back to the channel. Got this shirt. I gain weight, I lose weight. I just like to lose it all and be back to a regular size. I won't say what that weight is. I'm gonna fix my... You think I would have all this done before I start the video, which I did. But this shirt likes to ride up. You ever had one of those shirts? I can't stand this shirt, but I like the color. So, last night I posted a video, or the other night, about my rosemary chicken. And I told everybody, I said I would sit there and I would let y'all know how I made it and everything. So I'm going to give away my little secret. Well, it's really not a secret, but it's something I found along about cooking and other things, about herbs and all, about rosemary. So what I did, I took a half a cup of rosemary, filled this rest up with oil. As you can see, I've used some. And you can tilt it so, the rosemary comes, float back up here and everything. And when you go to use it, if you want the rosemary in the pan, you just pour, but if you don't, just take a spoon and, put it to the side, get your oil and put as much oil in your pan as you want to. And I let this set for a couple of days. And of course, it still sets, so the longer it sets, the more the rosemary gets infused into just regular extra virgin olive oil. Nothing fancy, but that's what I used. I used rosemary extra virgin olive oil in my chicken. So I cooked my chicken first. Well, it's kind of slippery. I cooked my chicken first, and then I sauteed the cabbage and the apples afterwards. So it still had all the chicken juices, and then there's still the same, the rosemary oil and everything in the pan. So everything, and I didn't have to add no soy sauce or nothing, just the juices alone. It was awesome. But I also wanted to talk about the benefits of rosemary. Now, I am not a doctor. I am not a natural healer doctor or anything like that. This is what I found out for myself. And I'll link other channels that talk about rosemary and everything. Eccentric Nature, Rain Country, and then some other websites that have information about that. But rosemary is an antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. So there's a key for me right there. Antioxidant, anti-apoptotic, and anti-tumorigenic, and all those little things, So it also supports, it says clinical effects on mood, learning, memory, pain, anxiety, and sleep. So that's why I had a good night's sleep last night. And this is from the Natural Library of Medicine, National Center of Biotechnology Information. So I'll link a couple more websites and everything, all natural medicine stuff and everything. But I was like, okay, if it helps with inflammation, I'm going to give this a try. I know it helps with hair growth also. I was making little notes last night. So I was watching Eric Kane in Eccentric Nature. And let's see here. Where are my notes? Eric Kane. He talked about it's along with the family of mint, basil, marjoram, thyme, and oregano. It helps with memory and ease joints, pains, but it's weight loss. So do your research. I will link all those videos and the links of the websites that I found. Get you some good herb books and everything. I was trying to find my books, and I was like, where are my books? I found one as essential oil book, but I mean, you can if you want to. And I have tried this out. Get rosemary essential oil, put it in shampoo, but like 5 drops or so, 5 to 10 drops in your shampoo. Shake it real good. Helps your hair grow. It helps your hair. I've done that, and that's what I've done for me. Also, Heidi in Rain Country was talking about taking this like a tincture type thing. I'll link her video below because I don't know for sure. I just know I want to try some of the stuff out. I'm tired of being on Motrin. So, and I know all natural stuff works. So, did it years ago and everything. And just, you know, when you're in pain, you kind of just grab for the nearest thing because it's supposed to work faster than the natural herbs. But just like any medicine, when your doctor tells you 5 to 10, you know, they like antibiotics and all, 7 to 10 days. Well, that's what kind of like natural medicine, that herbs and everything take that long too, 7 to 10 days. What do you think they got? I don't know. That's my thinking. So there you go. That's what I made. I made my own rosemary oil for cooking. Now I did take some. I didn't get it, but I have a little bottle, little roller bottle. I put some olive oil in there and put like 5 drops of rosemary essential oil in there, and I will rub it, you know, in my hair, you know, and also, yeah, I can tell when I don't do it, my hair gets dried out. So when I do it, my hair it looks a whole lot better. So there's just a few tips and hints and everything that I've done and what I used to make my rosemary chicken last night. So that is, I'm gonna try to find this book so I can, you know, put those on here also. But I just want to come up and tell y'all some things about rosemary, what it's good for, and hey, cook with it. I just heard something downstairs. We have a problem with that AC, so who knows? That thing blows up. I'm not gonna be happy. So, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. We'll see you next time on I Treasure Home. And there's a link here and a link there, or vice versa. There we go.